Guys, Moon here, Educated 5 Movement, and today let's talk about the trade war that might be coming very soon. So, based on our macro markets support ETF, that is 89% of them. We are seeing some turning point. A few days ago, it was yesterday, it was like 100% support. Now we are seeing some profits coming in. So that is a pretty good sign of reversal. But today, let's talk about the trade war happened about 7 years ago, 2018, and it took about 2 whole years, right, for the whole event to happen. You can go through this entire chart and also all of these events, but basically I'll show you like how do I do the analysis, right? What happened, and then are they seeking to fight more or are they seeking peace? And once they do that, how did the market react? Is it neutral? Is it positive? Is it negative? Long story short, most of the time we can see that if they are seeking to fight more, then it's negative. If they are seeking peace, generally it's positive. So in this sense, good news is often seen as positive, vice versa. Personally, I would stay invested while not leveraged and not over deployed. And somehow at this point of time, my bear strategy, somehow unknowingly, I have placed much more. I've actually much more cash than I thought that I would. But things seems to be okay. So about 3 more trading days to look at. If market didn't crash and so on, I am more or less safe. But even if the market were to crash, I do have 2 other contingency plan that I'll be doing personally once I get assigned, jump off everything. If not, I can roll forward, roll down, or if not, my last draw is to roll into leap option, and immediately I will have 30% premiums of margin of safety. That is my current plan. And back to the market, right, that history tend to repeat itself because human behavior tend to be similar also. Looking at the past, 7 years ago, right, the fight was very long. If that is the case, then probably this time now it will be longer, and also it will be stronger also, because at the point of time it was only US and China. This time around, Canada and Mexico is involved as well. And so because of this, right, I would likely refresh and rebalance my strategy ecosystem in the near term bounce when the portfolio is back to 105k. I also did some technical analysis of my portfolio movement. I think that is doable. It is like a medium. And lastly, at this point of time, I believe that market is real bottoming zone. A lot of signs of capitulation and all. So this is like a VIX. This is actually a VIX, and also looking at the momentum indicator on the VIX, you can see that all these events that happens, about 60% of the time it coincides with the S&P 500 bottom. I don't know if this is the absolute bottom, but I do have a strong belief that this would mark a very short-term bottom at least. But so we are not sure if the 2022 would happen, and that's the reason why I would eventually refresh my strategy. Also along the way, I did learn a lot of stuff. So this time around, switching over would give me additional margin of safety if the market were to tank. And if the market were to go up, then you know my strategy ecosystem to do the job. As usual, continue to go through the report, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.